Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure your Apple Watch is charged and paired with your iPhone. This lets sensors and health sync reliably. Once paired, update both devices to the latest software so features behave predictably. Next, open the Watch app and enable health, motion, and fitness permissions. These allow heart rate, steps, and workouts to flow into the Health app. Finally, wear the watch snugly on your wrist and keep Bluetooth on, because without a stable connection, automatic data transfer won't happen. Now you'll configure what to track and how to record it. Open Health and add key metrics, heart, activity, sleep, so the watch knows what to store. Once done, customize your watch face with complications for quick access to heart rate, workout, and activity rings. That saves time mid-session. When you're ready to exercise, start a specific workout on the watch. Choose outdoor walk, run, or other for custom sessions. Make sure to tap Start and let GPS and heart rate stabilize for accurate data. After tracking, review results in Health. Open Summary or Trends to see hourly and weekly patterns. This helps you understand progress and adjust goals. Once satisfied, export or share a concise report from your health profile to show a clinician or for personal records. If something goes wrong, missing heart rate or workouts, first restart your watch and iPhone, then verify health and motion permissions. If issues persist, unpair and repair the watch. That single troubleshooting tip usually resolves persistent sync or sensor problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.